Find or read reviews that people are talking about Habitio 125000 BTU forced air propane heater. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful heating capacity. With a heating capacity of 75,000 to about 125,000 BTU per hour and coverage up to 3,125 square feet, the Habitio propane heater is perfect for large-scale settings. It warms up spaces quickly, providing a cozy environment. Safe and reliable. The air-forced heater uses pulse ignition technology for a safe and reliable startup, preventing flame out and air leakage. It also has overheat protection and automatic shutdown in case of a power outage, ensuring safe use. The Habitio propane heater is CSA certified. Economical and adjustable. This heater can run for 24 hours on a low setting and 16 hours on a high setting with a 100 pounds propane tank, not included. It features adjustable fan speed controls, allowing users to modify the speed for rapid heating and maintaining a constant temperature. User-friendly design. With a portable handle, adjustable height function, and a 10-feet hose and regulator, the Torpedo heater is suitable for various spaces like patios, garages, factories, construction sites, and farming functions. Efficient and sturdy. The forced air propane heater uses high-efficiency thermal conversion technology, ensuring full combustion of propane. It's also resistant to corrosion and shock. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.